Check out my brand new book, Micro Living, in the description below. Also, my plans for the Transforming A-Frame Cabin. Tons of these have been built around the world now. Also coming up to North Carolina, Regalwood, North Carolina, we have a fully hands-on tiny house building workshop hosted by myself and my brother Dustin, alongside Chris Strathy, the capable carpenter, Chris Schapdick from Tiny Industrial, Andrew Odom from Tiny Revolution, and many, many more. Fully hands-on. All the info's down below in that description. What's up, Deke for OddUSA, and check this out. As I get heavily rained on. What kind of hairdo was this? I don't know. Outside of New Orleans, Louisiana. Heading east in I-10 towards Slidell, Louisiana, actually on the very edge of the city proper in New Orleans, lies the Irish Bayou Castle, aka the Swamp Castle. We stumbled upon this recently. It was built in 1981 to withstand hurricane-force winds and survive Katrina and Isaac. Later, when the property was foreclosed on, it was sold for $62,000, bought up by a couple who planned to turn it into a bed and breakfast, which really never manifested. So later, and more recently, just a couple years ago, it resold for only $150,000. The question here for the comment threads: would you purchase this castle, a mere 15 feet from the water in the Irish Bayou, for $150,000? So at some point in time, someone saw fit to build this giant castle of a home that doesn't look like it's lived in anymore. There's like blankets over some of the windows. This is the coolest thing ever. And even this little side entrance that is actually open. Hello? Hello? It's like a storage area down here with the turret holes. Anyone in here? Don't want to get stabbed. Oh, this is the coolest. Right on the water here. When I say right on the water, we're like 15 feet from the water. So I don't know if this thing, probably got slammed during Katrina, but seeing as the way it's built, obviously it was fine. Because you have this base level, as you saw, that's almost like a crawl space that probably takes you up 6, 8, 7 feet. So the living space is almost 10 feet in the air here. It's like a ferro cement, turret here. It's so cool, but at the same time, I'm not sure I'd want my next door neighbor to have something that looked like this. It's kind of odd and out of place here, although this is a little bit of a dumpy area with a lot of beat down houses, as you can see over here. It's locked. No. No. Hello? Interesting separate bathroom with a urinal. With these like insect nests, bug wasps, I'm not sure. Better shot of it for you. If I had the money, I'd buy it. The spot is kind of cool if it were a nice day. Get more some boats, some kayaks, whatever right here. That's the highway right across. If you're traveling across the Pontchartrain Bridge and coming out this way, you can't miss this place. All right, it's raining pretty hard here, so we're gonna call it quits. I can't get inside either, which kind of stinks. So there you go. Just want to show you guys. Check it out if you can find it. And thanks for joining us here on OddUSA as I get soaked. I'm Deke Dietrichson. Please subscribe, and we'll see you later.